Hi and welcome back to today's More Report. Chart proposals on Tuesday the 2nd of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and this Eurodollar chart is, the candle you had yesterday sort of began to reverse these 3 days of rally candles. And then today we've sort of seen another bout of support actually coming back in, so it's fairly mixed actually on the outlook. Although you would certainly say that the momentum indicators on the daily chart are still fairly negative, and I still believe that anything under this 1065 level is the key. Is just going to be seen as a rally into a selling opportunity, and I think you're fairly bearish still underneath all that resistance. But certainly you've had a decent sort of element of support coming in today. However, I don't necessarily believe it's going to be lasting too long. I still think that you're going to probably put pressure on this 108.67 level, which is that kilo from the 28th last week. But certainly at the moment, the bulls are sort of holding on really. They're pushing higher. You've had actually what sort of actually ended up being a shooting star on the hourly chart, which is not a great candle, but certainly the reaction subsequently to that has been reasonably positive actually. But you'd certainly say that the resistance coming in at around that 110 figure. Let me just put my crosshair in 110 figure, capping all those capping those sort of few candles on the 22nd and 25th, and also subsequently on the 29th. So that is your overhead resistance, but that comes in underneath this 110.65 level, and I'll show you the significance of that because it's a big resistance. Old support, bang, becomes new resistance. So that is where you've got all this overhead supply that comes in from that breakdown. So at the moment you'd certainly be saying again also momentum indicators negative configuration still, although not massively bearish at the moment. You'd still say that rallies are being seen as a chance to sell, and I think this move today is going to be seen as a chance to sell. Now you've got the inflation data that comes out shortly, and that could easily have an impact on this chart, but I still think that any sort of sell signal underneath 110.65 would be a chance to go short again. But interesting that at the moment we're camping underneath this 110.05 level, fairly neutral, and I think you're obviously waiting for the inflation data to possibly drive this chart. But I'd be looking to sell into strength still, because I think there is further weakness in due course. So I wish you good luck in your trading on Euro, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.